Yes. So she would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. यहाँ पे राइटर ये कहता है कि अगर पैगी ने ये ड्रेस गेम स्टार्ट नहीं किया होता तो शायद वो खुद मैडी तो शायद मैडी उसके ऊपर वेंडा के ऊपर ध्यान भी नहीं देती. बट सपोज पैगी एंड ऑल द others started in on her next. Suppose she says that if Wanda wouldn't have been there, Peggy and other students would have started making fun of herself. She wasn't as poor as Wanda perhaps. वो उतनी भी गरीब नहीं थी जितनी की वेंडा थी, but she was poor. Of course, she was poor. Of course, she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses. Of course, she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses. मतलब उसके पास ज़्यादा सेंस होता ये कहने का कि उसके पास 100 ड्रेसेस नहीं हैं, या अगर वो 100 ड्रेस कहती तो मोर कुछ और सेंस से कहती. Still, she would not like for them to begin on her. She would not like for them to begin on her means she would never want that they start making fun of herself. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. वो कहती है कि उसकी इच्छा है कि वो जो पैगी है वो वेंडा का मजाक उड़ाना बंद कर दे. Yes, in the next paragraph, today, even though they had been late to school, means both Peggy and Maddie, they are late to school. Maddie was glad she had not had to make fun of Wanda. Maddie was glad that she had not had to उसका मजाक नहीं उड़ाना पड़ा वेंडा का. She worked her arithmetic problems absent-mindedly. Absent-mindedly means she was lost somewhere else, but she was doing her arithmetic problems. 8 times 8 means let's see 8 times 8 means she is doing calculation of her arithmetic problems. She wished she had the nerve to write Peggy a note. She wished she had a nerve to write Peggy a note. उसकी इच्छा है कि वो पैगी को एक नोट लिखे, एक लेटर लिखे, because she knew she never would have the courage to speak right out to Peggy. She knows that उसकी इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है खुद मैडी की कि वो पैगी के सामने कुछ बोल पाए. So that's why she decides to write a note to her to say, hey Peg, let's stop asking Wanda how many dresses she has. Actually उसके पास इतनी हिम्मत नहीं है कि वो पैगी के सामने कह सकें कि hey Peg, let's stop asking Wanda how many dresses she has. Means we should not make fun of Wanda. ये बात कहने के लिए मैडी के पास इतना करेज नहीं है, साहस नहीं है. So that's why she wants to write a note to Peggy. When she finished her arithmetic, she did start a note to Peggy. Suddenly she pounced and shuddered. अचानक वो रुक गई और थर-थर कांपने लग गई. She pictured herself in the schoolyard, a new target for Peggy and the girls. When she was writing a note, suddenly an idea came to my mind that if I would say this to Peggy, it might be that she will be the next target. And she imagined herself in the schoolyard and Peggy and other girls are making fun of her. Sorry. So it means while writing, this idea came to her mind and she started trembling. Peggy might ask her where she got the dress that she had on. वो कह रही है कि शायद अगर मैं ऐसा करूंगी तो पैगी मुझे से पूछ लेगी कि वेयर डिड यू गेट दिस ड्रेस फ्रॉम यू आर वियरिंग, you are wearing. Peggy might ask her where she got the dress that she had on, and Mary would have to say it was one of Peggy's old ones that Maddie's mother had tried to disguise with new trimmings. ये कह रही है कि ये विचार उसके दिमाग में आया कि अगला टारगेट वो खुद हो जाएगी अगर उसने कोई अपोज किया तो, और वो पैगी उसे पूछेगी कि वेयर डिड यू गेट दिस ड्रेस फ्रॉम विच यू आर वियरिंग राइट नाउ, एंड उसे बताना पड़ेगा कि दिस ड्रेस बिलोंग टू पैगी, हर ओल्ड ड्रेस इज देयर, शी हैज गिवन टू मैडीज मदर, हर अपनी खुद की मदर को उस पैगी ने दिया है, एंड हर मदर गेव अ न्यू ट्रिमिंग to hide some identities that the dress does not belong to Peggy. So no one in room 13 would recognize it. मतलब ये एक्चुअली जो ड्रेस मैडी ने पहन रखी है it belongs to Peggy. This is the Peggy's old dress that has been given to Maddie's mother, and she has trimmed it in a new way to hide that this dress does not belong to Peggy. If only Peggy would decide of her own accord to stop having fun with Wanda. अगर if only Peggy would decide to her own accord to means according to stop having fun with Wanda. If she says, if I ask Peggy stop making fun of Wanda, such kind of situation can be there. And what will Peggy say? Oh well, Maddie ran her hand through her short blonde hair. Short blonde means जिसके बाल चमकीले तरह के होते हैं, ऐसी गर्ल्स को क्या बोला जाता है? Blonde. So she says she will what Peggy would say or do, she will use her hand in her blonde hair as though to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. Oh well, Maddie ran her hand through, sorry मैं गलत पढ़ गया, Maddie ran her hand through her short blonde hair. उसने मैडी ने खुद अपने बालों में हाथ फिराया, अपने ब्लोंडे बालों में हाथ फिराया, and as thought to push the uncomfortable thoughts away. ऐसी uncomfortable thoughts को अपने से दूर करने की कोशिश कर रही हो. What difference did it make? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा? Slowly Maddie tore into bits and note she had started. Slowly Maddie tore into bits and note she had started. She was Peggy's best friend, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room. Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong, she thought. उसने सोचा कि क्या? Yes. So if only Peggy would decide to her own accord to stop having fun with Wanda. She says कि काश ऐसा होता कि पैगी खुद ही जो मजाक करने की आदत है उसको बंद कर दे. ओह वेल, मैडी रैन हर हैंड थ्रू हर, उसने अपने बालों को सहलाया, अपने रेड बालों को अपने हाथों से सहलाया. एंड एज शी इज ट्राइंग टू थ्रो अवे द अनकंफर्टेबल थॉट्स, व्हाट डिफरेंस डिड इट मेक? इससे क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा? स्लोली मैडी torn into bits the note she had started, and after this what she did, the note that she was writing, she torn it into bits, इसके टुकड़े टुकड़े करके फाड़ दिए. She was Peggy's best friend, वो पैगी की बेस्ट फ्रेंड थी, and Peggy was the best liked girl in the whole room, पूरे रूम में सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद की जाने वाली लड़की थी पैगी. Peggy could not possibly do anything that was really wrong. पैगी कोई भी ऐसा काम नहीं करेगी जो गलत हो. She